start anyway. It's college now. Yeah. Now, children, just look at the screen. Then only you have to see what you have to do before we could do. Understood? Now, listen to this. Turn off your microphone and no playing around. You have to turn on, switch on your camera. Now take page 24. Take page 24 in your textbook. I'll tell you what you have to do. Textbook, page 24. See, this is page 24. You have to fill in this. Then only we can start the class. Then I will give the explanation. Now, take this page. Just above I love my school, you write today's date. Just above this or above I love my school, write 28-9. 28-9. Only you can do this. You cannot copy from anybody. I just want Rida Mehanas. Rida, just read the first line over here. Just read the first line. Fill
in the following
about your school. Very good. Now stop. Turn off your mic. Now children, you have to fill in this page, that page shown over there. That is about your school. You just go back to your school. Imagine your first standard and just picture out all the things. Now first you write your name. First you write your name, children. You write your name, children. I want to see all. Please write your name starting with a capital letter first. Write your name neatly, full name. Now, who's this boy, Joe? Jessu, please write your name on the first fill in the blank. I am not going to tell anybody to turn off your mic, camera, because enough and more I told this week. I'm not going to tell. I'm noting down the name because I can see those who are not switching on their camera. Yeah, please write. And when you get the marks, don't tell that mark is less. Those who are not on the screen throughout the class, you will get less. Sona, what Sona?
Ma'am, do we have to write the school's name?
No, first you write. 1 minute. Name, no, yeah. Fill in the following about your school. You have to write the school name. Stein School. Only write Stein School. Okay. Don't write our name. About your school. Your school, which school? So you can see Stein School spelling from your notebook. You have to write the school name over there. Fill in the following about your school. Name of your school. Write Stein School. You can see the spelling from your notebook cover. Tarush, did you write?
You write.
Yes, ma'am.
I need only children in class because let them learn what they have to do. Yes, Tarush?
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, show me the textbook where you wrote school name. I cannot see closer. I cannot see still. ST. Now tell me the spelling of Stein School. Tarush.
STANES.
STANES. Stein School. SCHOOL. Stein School. Now next line. Color of the building. Now 1 minute. I'll help you. 1 minute, children. Please write the color of the building. Cream color. CREAM. Name of your school. Saint School. Each one write. Color of the building. Cream. CREAM. No, they have to, children must see the notebook cover and write Saint School. That's what I didn't write over here. Saint School. Now, third one, color of your uniform. Okay, Sona, tell me the color of your uniform. Main uniform, not that PT dress.
Did you tell me?
Yes, Sona. Color of your uniform.
Ma'am, I remember when I was searching for my dress in the closet, it was blue.
No. Your last year, what was your uniform color? Tell me. You have the pinafore. Tell me, what color is it?
Ma'am, it was grey.
Gray. Yeah. You spell the word gray. You can write two spellings, Gray and Grey. Gray. Any one. Okay. They use gray, Gray, Grey. You can write even Grey. Gray.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sona. Thank you. Gray and white. Just write gray. That's enough. It's not wrong when you write Grey because we mostly use that spelling. Even Gray is correct. Now, I need somebody's help. Riha Jas. Can you tell me what time the school
9
starts?
o'clock.
Very good. 9 o'clock. See, what you said, I wrote over here. 9 o'clock. Thank you, Riha.
Thank
Now-
you, ma'am.
Okay, next one is for, you can write neatly, slowly, okay? Next question is for Sanvi, not Tanvi, Sanvi, 2B. School
Yes,
gets over at.
3 p.m.
Not 3:30. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I too forgot. Anyway, we'll just go through it later, okay? 3:30. I think 3:30 it will get over. Then one more. We have special class, all that. Okay, children. 3:30. Please write all this. And first one is Saint School. Now, I want Veerti. Veerti, read all the answers from 1 to 5. Name
Yes.
of your school. Name of your school.
Saint School.
Good. Color of the building.
Cream.
Spell the word cream.
CREAM. Cream.
Color of your uniform.
Gray.
Spell the word
GRAY. Gray.
or EY. Yeah, school starts at
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. School gets over at.
3:30 p.m.
Very good. Now we'll go to the next one, children. Now listen, I just want to give a small introduction of your school. Like we know about our school, children, and I'll give an explanation. Okay, just go through this. And we have a head to control us, to guide us in our school. Okay, this is about another child called Sumi, and she's explaining about her school. Her school is New City School, and see that the child is in 2A. She studies in 2A, and she says many teachers in our school. Okay, all the words written in black, little dark, teachers, principal, all that you have to underline. Okay, she says a lot of teachers in our school, and somebody should be there to control all these teachers and children. Now, next child, Alvin Jonathan, can you tell me who's the head of a school? Head of the school, every school. What do we call?
Ma'am, principal,
The principal. You must tell the principal, not principal, ma'am. You must tell the principal. Always,
ma'am.
yeah. Other schools they'll say headmaster, headmistress, and all. The principal is the head of the school, and the principal will guide everybody. Ma'am will ask us to do like in our school. I'm talking about our school. She will guide us. She will correct us, and we have to listen to the principal. And we learned so many things. From the screen, you have to give me the answer. Okay, thank you. Ansh, Ansh, are you there, Ansh? Ansh, John, Jacob? Ansh, John? No. Dhruv? Dhruv, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Yes, is
Yes,
it Dhruv?
ma'am.
Yeah, Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what are the things we learned from the school? See, it's already written there. You can tell from the screen. I want you to observe what you learn.
We learn good manners and good habits.
Yeah, even at home and in school. That's what it's explained. Like even at home, you learn good manners and good habits. Thank you, Dhruv. And the things, the rooms, the hall. We are going to see the things in a school. What are the things we see? Playgrounds, all the explanation. There is an assembly hall in my school. We have a open like not it's we have a hall in at the top of a building, but down we have an assembly hall in our school that she's explaining about her school. And she's telling they have the morning assembly and the functions will be held in the assembly hall. That is it. So I'll just read later. We'll just go to the next one, what she's explaining, and see how she's the picture shown over there. And she's taking part in the assembly. We have prayer in the morning. Even we do it. We have each class gives assembly. They will prepare for the assembly and they'll come and present it there. We have an open auditorium, like open place. And library, what we learned in English. Should we make noise in the library? I want Harish to tell me. What should you do in the library? How do you sit in the library in your school? Yeah.
Ma'am, we read, ma'am.
You read, but should you make, are you allowed to make noise in the library? Are you allowed? No. What should you do? You must be,
Quiet, ma'am.
yeah, you can see from the screen. You must be quiet. In your book also it's there. You must be quiet in the library. You can underline QUIET. Quiet. You can underline. Later we can do, but whatever comes in your mind, you can do it. And she's explaining. There is a library in my school. She explains that. Even in our school, we have a beautiful library, neat and very spacious, and nice breeze comes, and it's very nice, neat library, and all the books are arranged neatly. And you read books in the library, as Harish said, and you're too small to take books, but higher class children will take books. They will enter their name in the register kept in the library, and they will just sign when you take the book, and when you return also you'll sign it. That means you are not going to lose the book. You must be very, very careful. So that assembly place you have seen the library. Shall we see the next one? And they have music and art room. Even we have one room you go for music, one room you go for art, and play musical instruments in the music room. That will ma'am will give you a special like offer, like later when nice music master comes, he will make you learn. I know that most of you learn outside all these musical instruments, and she likes to play flute. Each one of you have different taste. Okay, children. And some children like to play drums, guitar, keyboard. Most of you, I think, keyboard. And you go for all the competitions. We learn to draw and paint in the art room. We also learn to make Craft items, of course. Last year, teachers used to come and teach you like paper cutting and used to make like birds, boats, flowers. And even second standard, you got lots of things to learn. And surely when school reopens, you will enjoy the school life there. You will go to school and you will do all this work. And we have great fun over there. Okay, we are missing all that. Pray that everything will be all right, then we'll enjoy. Next one is, she's explaining, most of the schools have computer room. We also have a computer room with so many computers, and you do even practical work. In second standard, you will do it. And Akhila, she's taking computer for second standard. I think now this year also. So she will tell you how to operate everything. By now, you must be master in all this, because online classes, it will help you all, like how to operate the system, everything you know now. A teachers, she's talking about only one teacher, to draw and paint on computers. Lots of things you can do. And there is a sick room on the ground floor. Children who feel unwell, rest in the sick room. Unwell means sick. We have a nurse over there with one small room. Suddenly, if anyone falls sick, that person will be taken to the sick room. Then afterwards, with the permission of the principal, nurse ma'am will call the parent. Usually it happens. Okay, Nasia. And she's explaining about the playground over there. Many swings, slides, and seesaws, all that. In the playground, we go to the nursery block to see all that. Okay, slides, seesaw. And somebody will fall nicely and he'll cry, and the parents will come and take, because they don't listen to the teachers. They'll just jump over. And see how the children do artwork in the art room. Draw and paint. When you paint, after drawing, when you paint that picture, you have to keep a newspaper and keep that paper on top of it, your art sheet. Then you start painting. Whatever you do on the table, don't dirty it. Keep one cloth and paper will be better. And see the computer room, the teacher teaches them. And see the playground here, nice playground. We play football. You can underline football, cricket, badminton. Check the spelling. We say badminton, but it's B-A-D. It's not T. Many other games in the playground. Playing is fun. It keeps us fit and healthy. Always playing will help you to keep you fit, healthy. You won't fall sick. F-I-T, underline F-I-T. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Underline all the games. Football with your scale. Also, everything should be neat work. Your class work, you will get 10 marks each term. Twice you will get. I will check your maths class work and EVS class work. Already I gave you some work. I will check. Playground, underline fun. F-U-N, fun.
Ma'am, do we have to underline playground and all the games?
I told you all the games. I think it's Sona. Sona, underline football. That means you have to underline when I tell the word. Cricket, badminton, 3 words there. Playground, you can learn the spellings by yourself. Playground, P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. F-I-T, fit. Healthy. When you underline, you keep all those spellings in your mind. I like my school. I have many friends. She's telling about her school and about her friends. Even you can give, I will make you speak about your school after taking this lesson. So that we can conduct speaking test. I'll divide the class and I'll make you do it. Now playing is fun. It keeps us fit and healthy. I like my school. I have many friends. We study, play, and eat together. We celebrate special days, certain things. August 15th, Independence Day, Teachers' Day. We miss this time. September 5th, Children's Day. It's coming. I don't know whether we'll be able to go. November 14th, Annual Day and Sports Day. According to the schools, they change. But all other things that will be the same. Special days. My friends and I keep our school clean. We throw waste in the dustbin. That you have to practice, children. You must not throw waste here and there. Then the ayahs will come and sweep and you just pick up all the waste and go put in the dustbin. Instead of that, you can put even pencil shavings. When you sharpen your pencil, you don't throw it anywhere. Okay? Now, listen, children, you can underline Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day. These are the special days, and Annual Day and Sports Day that we will give the dates. The principal will announce the dates. All other things, that's already a national level special day. So you can underline Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, apostrophe S, Annual Day, Sports Day. Now, when you speak about your school, you have to speak about all this. Please underline, it's in your textbook. And see that shortly we are just telling, we learn many things in school. All those things what we learned, it's here. A school has an assembly. Now, there will be a question. What are the rooms a school has? You can just tell. And what do you see in your school? The assembly hall, library, music and art rooms, computer room, sick room, playground. You already underlined this, so no need to underline all this here. If you want, you can underline only assembly hall, library. Already it's there, no need to write and underline, so you can do it. Music, art. Just underline music, art. You know this, you must know the spelling. Computer, sick room, playground. When you tell about the rooms, you have to write computer room, sick room, like that. What do you celebrate in your school? You celebrate special days in school. Write special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L. You have to learn the spelling, special. Now, you have to keep your school clean, underline clean. Now, we'll go to the next one. Don't know whether we'll have time, still we'll see. Let us answer. Let us answer. Please write today's date over there. Now we have some written work. Let us answer. Right? 28-8. There is nothing to explain about this lesson because you know already about your school. That's what I'm just doing this exercise now. It's not like plants and animals and houses and all. All those, it's a little bit confusing. You have to keep so many things in your mind. This one, already you know. Now let us answer. After that, write today's date, 28. Now, Abhisha, are you there, Abhisha? Abhisha? Yes. Abhisha, question is circle the correct words. Please read the first one from the screen, Abhisha.
Yeah.
Our school has many teachers.
Next
Or
one.
sailors. Now read fully. Read fully. A school has many teachers, sailors. Which is the correct word?
Teachers, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Please do it, children. Now next child is Akshaya E. Akshaya E. Akshaya,
Yes, ma'am.
please read Akshaya. Second question.
We should make noise. Be quick in the library.
Quiet, not quit. Quiet. Be quiet. Which is the correct word?
Be quiet.
We should
Be
be.
quiet.
We should be quiet in the library. Not make noise. Okay. We should be quiet. Circle. Thank you. Now, Akshita. Sorry, not. Somebody is going on talking behind. Not Akshita. Artrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me. Please read the third one.
We learn to play music instruments in
Musical.
the music room.
Yeah. Is it correct? Music room or computer room?
Music room.
Say musical. Musical instruments. Say
Musical instruments.
good, good. We are in the music room. Good. Now we'll go to the next. Yes, we have time. I'm sorry. Anyway, we'll finish with this and we'll go to the next later. Now, children, you have done this. Now, I want evening, Sarah. Don't say thank you. Who's that? Please wait. Evening, Sarah, we got enough time. Evening, Sarah, please read all the three. Evening, Sarah. Evening, Sarah. Getsia. Akshaya, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya finished reading. Getsia, read all the three sentences now.
A school has many teachers.
Yeah, with the answer, correct. Second one.
We should be quiet in
No.
the library.
No. We should make noise, must not say. We should be quiet in the library. Say,
We should
read.
be quiet in the library.
Third one.
We learn to play music instruments in
Not
the
music.
room.
Musical instruments in the music room. Now I want Israelina.
Thank you.
Israelina, good. Israelina, please read all the three. I'm just checking your reading capacity. Come on. Israelina, read. She's not there. Israelina, I have to inform because these children are not attending the class. Yes. Jemima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jemima, read all these three sentences, please.
A school has many teachers.
Yeah.
We should make.
No,
We should be quiet in the library.
good. Third one.
We learn to play musical instruments in the music room.
Very good. Now, Juansri, please read. Juansri, please read. Juansri. Yes, Juansri, no. No. Akshaya, turn off your mic, please. Pratika RB. Pratika, can you read all the three because we cannot take new one? Pratika, many are not attending the class. Inian Raj.
Ma'am.
Yes, Inian, please read all the three sentences from the screen. A school.
Many teachers are.
No. 1 minute, only with the answer. Correct answer, correct. A school has many teachers. Full stop. Tell. A school.
We should make noise.
No. Inian, 1 minute, Inian, lot of disturbance. Somebody is having another class. Please move and sit. some classes going on there. So please listen to this class. Please, okay, go back, go, Inian. Lots of disturbance. Yeah. Children, now 1 minute. Children, when you have your brother or sister with another class, please don't sit in the same room. Now, see, if Indian came on, I was not able to hear anything. He was not able to answer. Okay, now, hope you have done till this. Always read the lesson after each class. Thank you so much. Now, don't say thank you. Get ready with your maths classwork. Please go for a break and come back soon. Okay, thank you. Go for a break and come back because you can't take excuse from maths class. We have to do some written.